everybody. This is Nana with So It Seems, and I just wanted to hop on here and wish everybody a happy and safe 4th of July. I hope you're all having some time to spend with your family. I'm going to go to my daughter's house and spend some time with her and my grandson and my son-in-law. But I have a little haul from Amazon that I have got in preparation for some things I have planned. So I wanted to show you some of the things I've got, and I want y'all to wish me luck because I am stepping right out of my comfort zone. I am determined to learn how to care for, maintain, and even repair these vintage sewing machines that I have been collecting. So right here, I'm going to turn this around. Okay, so this is my sewing bench that I covered, and I have 3 vintage sewing machines that are all Singers, and they're the Singer 15 series, and I'm going to be working on those. So I bought this book from Amazon. It was recommended by, I believe the channel is called, I want to say Sewing Machine Rehab. And this is how to rewire vintage sewing machines. So I'm going to be reading this over and over again. Because 2 of mine have like the knee controller, how to add a new light, motor and foot control. So I had a couple of different people recommend this book, How to Rewire Vintage Sewing Machines, and I got that from Amazon. The other thing I got, which I'm really excited to start reading, this was also recommended, and this is called the Sewing Machine Master Guide. And so I'm going to be working on it. I see several of my sewing machines on the front cover. I don't see all of them that I have, but I see a couple of my brother's sewing machines, a couple of my vintage sewing machines. I see my featherweight on there. So I'm really hoping that this will be good. This is a nice thick book. The Sewing Machine Master Guide is by Clifford, and it looks like Blodgett, Blodget, and then How to Rewire the Vintage Sewing Machines. It says Connie McCaffrey, and these both came from Amazon. Okay, I also ordered, this is a set of screwdrivers, and they're magnetic. It was screwdrivers, and also like the little, I can't think of what you call it, but it's for nuts and bolts, like the little wrench nut. And this is made by Chapman, and this was about $50, and this was also recommended by the YouTube channel Sewing Machine Rehab. That lady does a really fantastic job on the sewing machine, so I took her what she suggested. I also purchased some sewing machine belts, and I went ahead and I purchased 2 different types so I could see which one works the best. And then I also purchased some bobbin winder tires. So, and then I have this from Singer. And this is also sewing machine belt and bobbin winder tire. So again, this channel is about sewing, crafting, and vintage and antique sewing machines. So if you're interested in sewing and crafting and vintage and antique, sewing machines, I invite you to join my channel. And everyone have a great night, and I hope you have a fantastic 4th of July. Take care. This has been Nana with So It Seems.